Buenos dias. So we're just here at one of the Buenos Aires airport because we are headed to. Where are we headed to?
We're headed to Santiago, Chile.
Yeah,
It's our first time there.
Yeah, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. We are going to be checking out the city. And then what else do we plan to do?
We plan on doing a bike wine tour, wine tasting bike tour of one of the oldest what's it called?
Wineries, yeah, in the city, right? Yeah. And yeah, the temperature's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be sort of in the high 20s, low 30s. So a lot better here in Buenos Aires because it's raining this week, so we actually picked the right week to take off. So yeah, come check it out. We're excited to share you guys what we see in Santiago and in Chile in general. Hopefully you'll be inspired to come visit as well. All right, we're just waiting for a flight. Our flight still hasn't arrived, but we'll be in Chile in a few hours.
Hasta pronto.
Okay. Bye guys. Hola, buenas noches.
This is Out Beyond Boundaries, and I'm Kyle.
And I'm Paulo, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, just click below and come follow us on our journeys into new countries and cities and places that are familiar to the LGBT community and to not familiar to the LGBT community. But we are here in Santiago, Chile. We just arrived just a couple hours ago, and we're here for 7 days. And what do we have planned here for Kyle while we're here for 7 days?
We're gonna head to the coast to check that out. I've never been to the Pacific coast on this side before, as well as a wine tour.
And then anything in between that we kind of come up with as we're maybe running into locals. So follow us on our journey as we explore Chile for the first time. And we can't wait to show you guys what we discover. All right, you guys take care. See you guys.
There we go.
Bye. Hola, buenos dias.
Hola, buenos dias.
So we're here at the bus station called Pajaritos here in Santiago because we're headed to the coast. We are going to be headed to Valparaíso.
You got it.
So it's about a 90-minute journey?
90-minute journey. There's 3 or 4 different bus companies here that operate double-decker buses. So we got the top row, top level front. So we get to see the nice view of Chile as we go down there.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty easy bus station. You don't need to pre-book. It's 10,000 pesos for each person, so that's not bad. That's like 13 Canadian.
Yeah.
10 American maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, and you can pay by cash or credit card, so it's fairly easy. And they take credit card here pretty much everywhere we've been so far. So we are gonna head there shortly. Our bus will be here in about 10-15 minutes. And the buses here have bathrooms in there. We noticed here that you do have to pay for the bathroom uses if you're any public space. So that's unfortunate. And later we have a
guided gay walking tour about Valparaiso.
Yeah, so that's gonna be really cool and interesting. Anyhow, we'll see you guys there. Okay, bye.
Ciao.
So this is a pisco sour with mint and ginger. Never had this. You can't find this in Canada. It's very delicious. you.